this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. These are all pretty much cleaning supplies or anything related to cleaning. I actually went to Dollar Tree specifically to buy stuff for cleaning because we are doing we've been working on our floors, and so our floors are a specific, I don't know, they're not really wood, but they're like some type of like pretend wood, I guess I want to call it. I don't know what the term is for it, but we are actually trying to work on cleaning it ourselves because we don't want to deal with having to get a machine. So the house that we're at is it's an older home that we're renting, so we are pretty much, like I said, working on cleaning up the floors a little bit, and we're trying to figure out what would work. But on my trip to Dollar Tree, I ended up finding a lot of these have been going around where they have the Essentials handle, the Essentials wet and dry flat mop head. So I got this, which comes with, you can use with the handle. It's sold separately, which I also got, but there's no point in me putting it in here because you're not gonna see it. But it pretty much attaches to this, and then this has, you can use this. They have the like the wet wipes that they have in the cleaning section. I believe they come in a yellow package that you can pretty much put here, and you pretty much hold this. It's kind of like the Swiffer type of thing. So I ended up getting this, and I didn't really get a lot of things that go with it. I got this here, it's called the Microfiber Mop Pad Light Duty. So this is pretty much, you can use it wet. It's machine wash. So let me just read it. It says, high quality premium microfiber provides reliable and consistent results. Durable pad designed to repeat use, and it's machine washable. Microfiber materials traps in dust and dirt, which, like I said, because it does say it's durable pad and you're able to wash it, I wouldn't mind using this wet. Now, how is it gonna work? I don't know, because it might be just to collect the dust. But then they also had this one, which pretty much, I guess it velcros on. I don't know how I feel about it just velcroing on, because the velcro will run out eventually. It looks like these are like tape, like the strips of velcro, so you might be able to use that. But I don't know, I'm gonna get creative on how to hold them down, because I don't trust this velcro. I don't trust it. I mean, it's pretty hard, but eventually it's gonna run out. But anyways, this one is, it also says Microfiber Mop Pad Heavy Duty. So this one is for like little jobs. This one's for higher ones, like tougher ones. This one says high quality premium microfiber provides reliable and consistent results. Nylon strips for heavy duty. Washable, reusable, and durable. See, that one doesn't say that, but this one is a lot thicker. It's softer, but it's a lot thicker, and this right here feels like rougher, maybe because it's like it's stitched on there. I don't know, but so like I said, they also have the mop. They have the broom that attaches to the handle. The mop, the broom. There's another one of these, I think. I don't know. The store that I went to, I only had this and the stick, because that's all I wanted. I don't need a broom. I already have all that. The other thing that I got were these heavy duty scoring pads. This is what we were using for the floor, just because there was a lot of stains, and we've decided that we're gonna have to work on that floor. These might be a little bit too tough, but once you wet it, it does. We used some of these and it wasn't that bad, but we'll have to see. So I ended up getting a few. My husband kind of thought, oh, just get a few and we'll see how it works out. We might have to end up getting the work done on the floor. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. But I actually kind of thought that I might be able to use these on here. I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna have to come up with a do-it-yourself project to kind of put these together so that they are actually stay on here. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I ended up getting 3 of these just because I actually use them for other tough jobs in the house. So I got that. I also got these gloves. because I have nails all the time. I just want to protect my nails, especially when I'm trying to use this. And these are just as textured grip, multi-purpose, usable latex. This is one size fits all. Reusable gloves. So I actually got two, and this one is already opened. Last time I shared some gloves that I got, and they were the ones in the box. But I like this one because I feel like these go higher than the other ones. These are all the way, like, so if you're scrubbing toilet or whatever you're scrubbing with it, it definitely is gonna work. See, right here it says one size fits all, but on here it says large. I'm assuming it's for large. It's an L. So I don't know if there's gonna be other sizes. I'm gonna look, but they had this color and I think another color, but I really didn't care. It's just to clean. So I want to have for different purposes. And once again, I found some of this spick and span for the antibacterial cleaner. So I ended up getting another one of those. They had run out, but I think they're coming back, so I'm gonna just not buy anymore. The other thing that I got was the essential dish pan. I don't use this for the dishes. What I wanted to get this for was whenever I'm doing, I have face masks, and I don't like to put them in the washer because they have wires. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this to wash them in there, because if I leave them there, like I want to leave them there soaking or like with disinfectant or something. I want to leave them there, and I don't want to have them in the sink. So I ended up getting myself this for that purpose. But anyway, this was just a very small haul of items that I'm going to use to clean around the house and to work on, like I said, my floor project that I've been working on lately. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.